Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tangi Patton. In the mood for some Southern comfort food? Well, whether it's fried chicken, buttery biscuits, or deep fried fresh Gulf oysters, your delicious dish is waiting in all its Southern glory at this brand new eatery deep in the heart of Texas. The Gulf Coast just got a whole lot closer to San Antonio. You won't have to go far for this fresh catch. Fresh Gulf oysters, Galveston oysters. It's one sweet menu, all right. But cocktails and bacon-glazed donuts aren't the sweetest thing on this menu. Real romance is in the air, and it's a Southern love story unlike anything you've ever heard. What?
Yeah. She remembers all the stories better than I do.
But about that delicious menu, you'll want to sink your teeth into Gulf Coast classics like fried shrimp po' boys and surf up a seafood boil without even dropping a net.
It's a perfect place to eat seafood.
And if this glorious golden fried chicken looks familiar, you're right, because San Antonio's Southern darling, Southerleigh, is at it again. Oh, man. But we're not at the historic Pearl. This chicken shack has flown the coop and hatched new roots at the rim. Here, you'll find familiar favorites, but there's a whole new look, new menu, and a new name. How do you pronounce the restaurant's name?
Good question.
I have no idea.
No clue, huh?
No.
Haute South.
Okay, Texans, we might need some help with this one. Okay, Philippe, so as one of the partners in the restaurant,
Yes, ma'am.
you are French.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't think of a better person to tell us how to pronounce the name.
So it's pronounced Haute South.
Whatever you call it, it
Exactly.
works really well.
Exactly, yeah.
Southerleigh and Haute South make comfort classics worth calling off your diet.
Butter never hurts.
Butter's the best,
Butter's the
right?
best.
But there's only one ingredient that can make all this success so sweet. True love. Where did you guys meet?
Miss Triplett's 3-year-old class at Travis Academy in Galveston.
What?
Yes.
3-year-old? Wow.
We started dating when we were 20.
Yeah.
So who was the first one to decide, hey, I may be interested in this person?
Well, I found a card the other day that indicated that he was.
Yeah.
Aw, Tough Jeff has a sweet little heart side.
No, that's not public knowledge.
Edit that out.
But what is well known around town is Chef Jeff's ability to turn Southern classics into phenomenal fine dining. While you'll find plenty of similarities between the two restaurants, like any two sisters, they're really as different as night and day. So the food at Haute South is really the food you grew up with, right?
That's absolutely true. It's anything that was caught in the net, basically. But our favorite thing to do is to actually dump the shrimp boil on top of the fried chicken, because all that butter and spice kind of drips down and coats the fried chicken. It makes it that much worse for you, but you know, it tastes really
that
good.
much better, right?
Exactly.
It's good for the soul.
It's good for the soul.
Haute South is the ultimate casual spot where finger foods and comfort classics will warm your soul and fill your belly. Go big. Grab a fry basket with all the Gulf Coast goodies, perfect for sharing with friends.
Couldn't believe the size of the portions. It's Texas huge.
But be sure to leave room for these heavenly, beignet-inspired honey-fried biscuits. Glazed, drenched in honey. Oh, whoa. And butter. But no stop at Haute South is complete without their divine, crispy fried chicken. The Colonel Sanders way, in a henny penny pressure fryer.
What I really love to do is top it with that shrimp boil.
Now this is a thing here at Haute South, right?
This is our thing. This is the thing that I want to really be, like, I would love if everyone ordered it like this, because this is what kind of adds that Gulf Coast element
Absolutely.
to the chicken. So we're just gonna add a shrimp boil right on top of that chicken there.
Right on
and let
top.
that butter.
I love it. Oh man, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be messy, but it's gonna be really good. Ooh. This is amazing. Oh, I love those Cajun spices in the fried chicken. So skip the drive to the coast and swing on in to Haute South for your fill of these tasty Texas Gulf Coast treats. You'll taste true Southern love in every bite.